With the Varipack Plus, Krone developed a high-performance round baler for professional users who bale dry crops. The chamber is made up of 4 endless belts which form rock-hard bales that keep their shape. Varipack sets new benchmarks in terms of throughputs and operator comfort, and is now available in a more entry-level specification. There are 2 variable chamber models, the Varipack V165, which produces variable 80 cm to 1 meter .65 bales, and the Varipack V190 XC for 80 cm to 1 meter 90 diameters. Both machines are available with or without a cutting system. The swath is gathered by a 2.15 meter easy flow pickup. Its camless design makes for particularly quiet running and offers great resistance to wear. The driveline is overload protected by a clutch. The standard fit crop press roller ensures a uniform flow of material into the machine, also at high forward speeds. The pickup runs on large pneumatic gauge wheels. The XC models feature a cutting system. This has a massive integral rotor that receives the crop from the pickup and pulls it through the 17 blades. The blades and tines are arranged extremely narrowly for smooth and precision cuts. The drive is simple and consists of only 1 chain. The blades are individually protected from overload and are easily removed from behind the unit. A blade control system is standard specification and allows operators to select all 17 blades, or half the number, or use no blades at all. This is done on the selector shaft. You can also pull the entire cutting system out of the crop flow and drop the floor hydraulically to remove a blockage. This way the blockage is removed in a matter of minutes and work is resumed. The models without cutting system have a massive feeding rotor that feeds the crop into the bale chamber. The floor underneath this rotor is also dropped hydraulically to minimize holdups due to blockages. The bale chamber is made up of 4 endless belts, the tension of which is controlled by 2 rams that are located on the sides. This is the perfect design for achieving the highest densities, especially in dry crops. You can vary the bale size and density steplessly from the terminal. The same applies to a soft or hard core. Varipack can do both. Depending on harvest conditions, you can set 3 different baling pressures in 3 different zones. A steering indicator assists uninitiated operators in achieving uniform chamber fills and optimum bales. Net wrapping is a standard feature on Varipack. The net is applied fast and accurately, covering the edges of the bales. You can also opt for a twine tying system which uses 2 threads. The tying unit is reached via steps on both sides of the machine. Mounted on the front of the machine, the unit is easy to see from the tractor seat. A fold-away chute for the net roll is an option to increase operator comfort. You can store up to 12 balls of twine or 3 net rolls underneath the side panels. When tying is completed, you open the rear door hydraulically and the bale drops to the ground. The rear door is operated by stroke end cushioned rams for speedy open-close cycles. Unloading the bale takes less than 5 seconds and is supported by the tension of the bales and the optional bale ejector. Varipack is Isobus ready, which means it can be operated from any Isobus compatible terminal or from a choice of CCI Isobus terminals. But the machine can also be controlled from the user-friendly Krone DS terminal. The chains and drives are protected by large panels that prevent buildup of dust and crop debris. The machines that have a cutting system are protected by a mechanical dog clutch that cuts the driveline between the intake system and the bale chamber. The chains are auto-tensioned and auto-lubricated. The grease points are grouped on 2 banks for easy service and extended machine life. Options for Varipack include a moisture sensor, LED work lights, and a camera system for controlled bale ejection. Rock-hard and variable diameter bales, convenient operation, maximum density, and the choice of a cutting system. That's the Krone Varipack, the new benchmark round baler for dry crops.